is a 1966 Ford GT40 Mark II Superformance continuation car. Superformance takes pride in the kits being so authentic that they can actually use the name GT40, hence the continuation title. The cars are so accurate that 2/3 of the components can actually be interchanged with the original GT40. Now obviously the 1966 GT40 was made famous by the 1-2-3 finish they featured in Le Mans. Now this car features a galvanized chassis, and even the monocoque can be replaced with the original. These are available in both left and right-hand drive, and they're built for street use, and they feature AC just like the original street cars would have. Now, these are powered by a 427 FE cubic inch V8 big block, although Superformance does have some other options, which Ford never actually rated the power for this engine, but we know that it's capable of over 200 miles an hour. The 427 was originally used in NASCAR, and it was modified for road course use when it was taken from the Ford Galaxy. This also features the Bundle of Snakes exhaust, and everything is mated and shifted through a ZF transaxle that directs all the power to the rear wheels. I think these cars just look fantastic, and you gotta love the Hallebrand wheels.